How are you, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of the peacock and the crane. There was a beautiful peacock in a forest. The peacock always thought that he is the most beautiful bird. The peacock met a crane and said, "What a colorless bird you are! Your feathers look very grey and dusty." The crane said, "Oh, really?" The peacock said, "Look at my colorful feathers. I look so beautiful." The crane said, "Yes, you are beautiful, but your feathers are not so useful." The peacock said, "What?" The crane replied, "I can fly up in the sky with my wings. I can travel around the world. I can go wherever I want. You cannot fly high. Fine feathers alone don't make fine birds. It is better to be useful than beautiful." The peacock was ashamed and kept quiet. The crane flew away in the sky. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye bye. Thank you.